Hi, welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranleyplace, where I'm focused on Hermès scarf style, knot tutorials, and more. Before we get started, let me give a shout out to all the channel members and special welcome to the knot connoisseurs and elegant insiders. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the membership options. In this video, I'll discuss a 90 cm silk twill from Hermès' Fall-Winter 2024 collection, Bagage by Rosa Maria Unda Souki. I'll start with some background about the artist, discuss thoughts about the design inspiration, and then talk about which colorways I would choose and why. Let's get started! Rosa Maria Unda Souki is a Venezuelan artist known for her paintings and mixed media works. She often explores themes of memory, identity, and the passage of time in her art. Unda Souki's work frequently features architectural elements, particularly interior spaces that evoke a sense of nostalgia and personal history. Born in Caracas, Venezuela, she studied architecture before transitioning to visual arts, a background that significantly influences her artistic approach and subject matter. She continued her art education in Europe, enhancing her exposure to different artistic traditions and techniques. Unda Souki's works are characterized by a blend of painting and collage, often incorporating layers of paper, fabric, and other materials. Her style is noted for its detailed and intimate portrayal of interiors, capturing the essence of lived spaces. Central themes in her work include memory, domestic spaces, and the intersection of personal and collective histories. Her pieces often evoke a sense of nostalgia and introspection, inviting viewers to reflect on their own experiences and memories. Unda Souki has exhibited her work internationally, including solo and in group shows in Latin America, Europe, and the United States. Her art has been well received for its emotional depth and technical skill. Her background in architecture is evident in the precision and structure of her compositions. She often depicts scenes with an almost architectural clarity, yet imbued with a dreamlike quality. As a Venezuelan artist, Unda Souki contributes to the broader narrative of Latin American art, offering a unique perspective that blends personal memory with cultural identity. She continues to live and work in various locations, constantly evolving her artistic practice while maintaining a strong connection to her Venezuelan roots. According to the backstory, this design is about the artist's life in a suitcase. From Venezuela to France via Mexico, the scarf reveals some of her most treasured possessions: her shoes, pastels, colored pencils, earrings, and tubes of paint. But when I first saw it, I thought it was a his-hers luggage scenario, so if you don't mind, I'd like to run with that and explore the concept of duality. The concept of duality involves the idea that two opposing or complementary aspects coexist within a single entity or phenomenon. This idea is prevalent in various fields, including philosophy, science, literature, and religion. Duality emphasizes the interconnectedness and interdependence of these opposites, suggesting that one cannot exist without the other. So starting with some examples in philosophy. Originating in ancient Chinese philosophy, yin and yang represent opposite but complementary forces in the universe. Yin is associated with darkness, passivity, and femininity, while yang is linked to light, activity, and masculinity. Together, they embody the balance and the harmony of the cosmos. In Plato's theory of forms, he suggested that there are two realms: the physical world, which is imperfect and changeable, and the world of forms, or ideas, which is perfect and unchanging. This duality underscores the difference between reality as perceived by the senses and reality as understood by the mind. In science, as another example, quantum mechanics' wave-particle duality refers to the concept that particles such as electrons and photons exist both wave-like and particle-like properties. In particle physics, matter and antimatter are pairs of particles that have opposite charges and properties. When matter and antimatter collide, they annihilate each other, releasing energy. This duality is fundamental to understanding the universe's composition and behavior. If looking elegant is your style aspiration, let's talk about color choices. Elegant colors typically convey sophistication, refinement, and timeless beauty. They're often muted, balanced, and harmonious, evoking a sense of calm and luxury. Some characteristics and examples of elegant colors include neutral tones such as beige, cream, and taupe, soft grays, and ivory. Jewel tones such as emerald green, sapphire blue, ruby red, and amethyst purple. Muted pastels like dusty rose, powder blue, and lavender. Earthy tones like deep browns, olive green, and terracotta. And finally, classic black and crisp white. All of these colors are often used to evoke a sense of luxury, balance, and subtle beauty. Of course, color choices can be very personal, and in general, if there's a color that you like that doesn't necessarily fall within these buckets I discussed, by all means, go for it. But knowing myself and my preference for classic tailoring and understated elegance, whether formal or casual, here are my top colorway picks for this design. With this dark navy base, this is a versatile colorway that will look classic with a variety of colors, whether you choose to pair it tonally or work with the accent colors. Because my wardrobe includes a lot of capsule basics, this palette would work with pretty much anything in my closet. Here's another colorway that I would consider. Notice that almond green contrast hem. The light gray base with splashes of almond green and coral is another combo that would pair well with classics I already own. Orange as a neutral might seem unconventional, but it can work as a versatile and balanced color in design, fashion, and interiors. The key is focusing on muted, earthy tones of orange that have a grounding effect rather than bright neon variations. For sure, this is a colorway that I could enjoy for many years. So there you have it. A bit about the artist, my interpretation of the design inspiration, and my top color picks for this design from Hermès' Fall/Winter 2024 collection. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. In future episodes, I'll share other scarf reviews, tutorials, and more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time.